also, as presented, so increase our awareness, understand cultural and cultural and global perspective. So also identify your cultural identity. So for being a Filipino, so we have this one, the national context of being a Filipino. Of course, you have the citizenship. And based on the Constitution, we are a citizen. We are Filipino citizen who are residing specifically in the Philippines. But anthropologically, it is different. Somehow, it represents different culture. So we have the main and subculture, just like what what we mentioned before. So we have this main culture because main culture of uh, main culture of a Filipino. We have this one, the Psikologiyang Filipino and Filipino Traits and Values. So as part of the subculture, we have this Eurocentrism founded by different European lifestyle and custom, primarily as part of our subculture. But then, we are strikingly having this uh, struggle or identity struggle as part of uh, confirming this type
Yes.
of culture. Now, so
Bakit
for cultural
nagtuturo?
identity, again, culture as we define came from the Latin word cultura or cultus, meaning care or cultivation. So it is analogous to caring for an infant. Likewise, uh, we should readdress or deliver the different types, norms, and even beliefs, different uh, systems in our culture. So identity refers who the person is in a particular group or community. So you are very particular with it. Are you following? Am I audible? Okay. So for the latecomers, please do follow. We are on cultural identity, anthropological perspective. So here, in cultural identity, it's referring to a sense of belongingness for a center group, a certain group. No? So it is an individual's perception about himself or herself, anchored on a race, gender, nationality, religion, or ethnicity, or even language. Just like we Filipino, we have different et- ethno-linguistic groups. We have also differ in dialect. No? We also differ in different cultural practices. No? So that's why we have different cultural identity. But uh, we have only one national identity being a Filipino. Sabihin na kung mabilis ba o pwede natin bagalan. Take it slowly. So next thing, we need to conform, conformity, conformity. So we need to conform. It is a way of cultural identification. So meron tayong dalawa. We have these two types of concepts in cultural identification. We have conformity that you need to conform. You need to embrace, you need to acknowledge that form of culture. And when we say deviance, so it's either a part of malpractices or being a law violator, norm violator, correct, somehow. Next to that, so a nation is group of people, of course, built on premise, shared customs, tradition, commonalities, religion, language, art, etc. So forth as part of cultural heritage, being a nation, Filipino nation. Yeah. So another for cultural identity is different from national identity. So national identity is the sense of belongingness to one state or nation. So according to Rupert Emerson, a political scientist defined as a body of the people who feels that they are nation, they are belong with. Next to that, ito magre-reflect ito ha as part of your preliminary examination, even your quiz. Wala pa pala tayo. Unexpectedly because of the synchronous classes. Unexpectedly. So dapat ano ba, we are trying to agree with we will be done discussing this week 4 and 5 today and on Wednesday. So I think patatapos naman natin. And on Wednesday, please be ready for upcoming quiz. But we should take a review first. Kaya, become prepared. Rather. So, cultural identity, we have two. Ano yung dalawa natin? Pag tangible, ano ba siya? Material or non-material? Hello, check. Answer me. You can answer me in coro. What's your tangible? Material or non-material? You can type down your answer. Hello, check. Everyone. So, we have 20 attendees.
Paano siya nititikin?
Ano ba siya? Tangible or intangible? Sinabi, nasan siya? Material ba siya o non-material? Which is tangible and intangible? You can type down your answer. Hello, check.
Saan ba?
About others, still taking for your answer. Ang dami nyo dito. So, material is tangible and intangible is what? Non-material. Magbigay nga kayo ng material culture natin. You can type your answer. Come on. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Di ako
Bigyan na ako ng
marunong.
material culture. Magon. Yeah, magon. Type your answer as part of material culture. Example. Filipino dresses. Okay. What else? What else? Sige, type mo lang. We listen. We don't judge. Asan na yung sagot niyo? Ano yung mga nagtatay? Yung baka malito ka dito ha. Pero alam ko naman eh. Ni papak, bahay kubo. So, dwelling. Ang dwellings natin naman. Being a Filipino. Before then, we use bahay kubo. How about other other trademark of being a Filipino?
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yan? Hing.
Educational system coming from different uh, European countries as they introduce that form of culture. So we need to grasp, we need to engage, and we need to acknowledge. As a result, a person becomes self-aware and self-reflective about his or her and surrounding world. There's another type of self-categorization. Wait, just to skip this one. So already that we have how many number of attempts? Only 24. Cultural conception. So this is idea about the self was long conceived by Maurice in 1938, assigned by Mitchell in 2000. So this is defined by Western and non-Western nations. That the self is embedded by Western philosophical and psychological traditional. Bakit ba laging ganun, sir? Question lang po, bakit lagi po tayong bounded ng philosophical and psychological course? I really don't know because they are part of the global elite and they are also considered as our nation. So, biological self was introduced by Herbert Spencer. So dialogical self is part of what? Self as the society of the mind. He posited that the idea of the self is considered extended to significant others in the environment. So we need to postulate that the self is a dynamic multiplicity of I positions in which dialogical or monological relationships emerge. So this is part of quite the somehow part of your collective self. So later maybe we can more having this in-depth discussion. The dialogical stuff. Okay. So as part of the internal process, that's the way we how I identify and see uh, our environment internally or externally. And even without and even with individual sense of reflection, individual sense of introspection, the way we evaluate something, part of our inner and outer self, that is biological self. So nasan ba yung position natin bilang tayo? Diba? So minsan we need to categorize, we need to evaluate, we need to identify as part of the external and internal factors. Okay? So ito yung part ng biological. So ikaw bilang tao o ikaw bilang kilala mo ang pagkatao at katauhan mo, that is individual self. So again, the way you represent yourself, the way you know yourself or know thyself, that is individual self. Relational, halimbawa kung wala kasi tayo, gagawin sana natin yung identity toolbox. Tayo ay nasa gitna ng classroom, i-disperse natin lahat ng upuan sa gilid, scattered natin siya, tapos lahat tayo ay nasa gitna. I-tablo nyo na lang, i-picture out nyo na lang, or figure out nyo na lang. So pag individual self, so it means you know yourself, you know your uniqueness, you know your standard. Okay, and you know also your part of your interest and commonalities. Just like what we said. Ikaw yun. Ngayon, pag relational, that is a part of your having relationship with other person. The way you relate yourself to other people. Relational. So, kumbaga kilala ko si Patrick. Si Patrick ay magaling mag-basketball. So, pwede kaming mag-jive. Si James is also, halimbawa, maiba yung basketball sa pagiging athlete yun. Si James ay magaling sa, halimbawa lang, English. Somehow that is part of my cultivating interest. The way we learn English, even in literature, even in philosophy. Yan. So, how can you relate yourself to other person? That is relational. Sir, parang yung si Eugene kasi ang galing niyang mag-Mobile Legends. Mythical glory na daw siya. So, pwede ka magpasabit, pwede ka magpabuhat. Yan. Okay. So, paano na pag collective self na siya? So, when we say collective self, okay, so when we say collective self, ito na yung part ng part na siya ng pinaka-unified self mo. Kumbaga, dito ka na naka-cluster, dito na naka-classified kung ano yung mga hilig at kung ano yung interesado ka sa isang grupo. No? Diba, kayo ngayon, di ba, you are all your second year, third year, no? Some of you are in seniority level. Pero lahat sa kanila may mga different sense of belonging as we agreed. So that is part of your collective self. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung mga studios, ito yung mga party goer, ito yung mga athletes, ito naman yung mga mahilig manood ng mga Korean novela. So we have different clusters and we tend to unify ourselves based on that part of our extended or collective self. Saan ba ako nabibilang? No? Are we clear with this one? Kindly do motions, emoticons, you can type down your answer, low check. Uy, party ng Kristo ha. Anong bilis talaga ng isang oras? Sir, question po. So this is part of identity crisis. If you are still facing or having some difficulties in relying or fitting yourself in a particular society, hirap na po ako hanapin kung anong grupo na po ako nararapat or hindi po tumutugma talaga yung characteristic ko sa kanila. Am I in group or out group? Pag nasa out group ka, it means this is not part of your or that's not part of your interest. Or somehow you are just conforming pero out of ano na siya? Out of interest na siya. So there is a conflicting issue. Conflict of interest mo yun pag tumagal ka sa grupo na yun tapos hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo. Are you with me? Diba? So kailangan mo ng justification. Individual issues but some people may fail to consider any justification for why. One can be unsympathetic and that is called what? Identity struggle. Sir, gusto ko lang po talaga mapag-isa. Wow, sana ko. So remember that no man is an island. Walang taong mapag-isa at kailangan natin ng social interaction. So medyo nagkakaroon ka ng identity struggle. Halimbawa sa working environment mo, nag-resign ka. The next time you have your job, another working environment, another collective self, another relational self, didefine mo muna yung individual self mo. Reassess mo muna. Nararapat ba ako dito sa grupo na to? O ngayon, i-check mo muna si relational bago ka mag-collective. Baka kasi bigla kang sumama sa 10 na hindi mo pa nakikilala yung dalawa. Do you get my point? Kaya karamihan nagkakaroon ng identity struggle. No? Diba? Sinamahan mo agad yung grupo na yun, not knowing na hindi pala nila gusto yung personality mo. No? So sometimes you need to assess your individual self first before you go into that particular group. Baka mamaya. Doon pala sa relational, ayaw na nila sa'yo. Nung nakausap mo si James, nung nakausap mo si Ronnie, so may mga nasasabi sila na hindi para ako dun sa grupo na yun. It means that's not part of your group. That's not part of a group. You're not part of a group rather. Out group mo yun. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng maging in group. Huwag mo nang pilitin yung sarili mo. Out to out. Okay. Therefore, so the discrepancy between the identity of a person possessed and the identity attributed to the person of others. So remember that, no? Kailangan natin i-pacify yung sarili natin na hindi kailangan na lagi tayong umaayon sa iba. Hindi laging conformity. Diba? Kaya nahihirapan tayo. We are facing this identity struggle. Kasi mahilig tayong i-fit yung sarili natin kahit hindi naman tayo para dun sa grupo. Okay, so we are already done with anthropological perspective. How many cultures or how many types of cultures do we have? You can answer me in Koro. You can unmute your mic. Hello, check. Ilang culture daw meron tayo? We have 2, which is tangible, material, which is intangible as part of custom tradition. Non-material. Are you with me? Pagpalagay nyo nga, nasa klase tayo. Okay. Diba? So, nation, that is part of a group. No? And culture culture that is part of cultural heritage, no tradition, no custom. So being a Filipino, no, that is your nationality. And if you are part of that race, languages, ethnicity, that is what? Cultural identity. Okay. So if you are facing or having some difficulty, no, being part of a group, that is identity struggle. If you're part of a group that you are belong with, in group. If you're part of that out group, no, yung parang off stage mo yun. Off stage. Napunta kayo yung herding gap. So another, so let's have this one. Nabasa niyo to? Have you read this one? Hello chick. Nabasa niyo ba ito? Oh, by the way, recording is still ongoing. Hello check. All of you, nabasa niyo ba ito para tayo ay madali? So sad. Are still valuing this subject. Hello check. Kung napakaganda nga na itong understanding this. Hindi po tayo nagpapaka-major at hindi rin po pala ito na minor. We should understand truly and know thyself. Kailangan natin maintindihan sarili natin sa mga nakapaligid sa atin. Okay, so let's see. So according to William James, ourself is divided into two categories. Same with I and me. Anong kay mid? Anong kay mid na ulit? We have I by myself and me by others. Ano naman yung kay William James? By the way, in William James' theory, I is constituted by the continuous stream of consciousness internal to an individual. So parang inner sense mo siya. No? Me, as a person, into a me, when he makes himself the object of his own thinking. So paano ko ba didipin yung sarili ko? Base dun sa sinasabi na, diba? So let's have this one. Three categories of the self. We have constituents of the self. Ilan daw yan? Tatlo. No? Or it can be four with your ego. Ano yun? Material, social, spiritual, and even your pure ego. Yun yung subcategories of the self. Are you clear with this one? Papaliwanag po natin ito. Self feeling that you are fully aware of your emotions or even your feelings. And that's how a person gains his knowledge. Self-seeking. Gusto mong magtanong. Diba? Gusto mong magtanong, gusto mong malaman, may gusto kang i-discover, may gusto kang i-explore. Nagiging self-seeker ka. Pagka halimbawa, knowledge seeker ka, may gusto kang malaman. So, isa na, kasi gusto mong magtanong knowledge seeker ka. Pero hindi ka naman grade seeker. Gusto mo lang talaga magtanong. Pero kapag ka grade seeker ka, no? Minsan kasi mga grade seeker, knowledge seeker din eh. Paano yun, sir? Diba, pag grade seeker lang sila, kahit hindi naman sila truly valuing that subject, but they are grade conscious. Magugulat ka, nag-wish pa ng grade, no? They are grade seekers. Pero hindi naman sila knowledge seeker. Tanong mo sila kung ano yung mga natutunan nila within that subject. They are not knowledge seekers. They are only grade seekers. Are we clear? O sana wala naman. Merong grade seeker pero I mean both dapat, no? Okay. Oh, we are done with this. Carl Rogers' theory. By means of free choice, one can shape himself based on what he or she wants to be. Kagaya na tinanong ko sa inyo, based on what I have addressed, I already addressed this question. No? For you, do you truly know yourself? Totoo ba yung nalalaman mo ngayon sa sarili mo? Ikaw ba yan na nakikinig sa akin ngayon? That part of real self? That part of your authentic self? Gusto mo ba yung program na kinuha mo? Huh? Gusto mo ba yung pakikisama na ginagawa mo sa katabi mo ngayon? So let's see. As part of career opportunities, so let's see you are all. Anong section nyo? Anong program nyo? Majority of you, nakalimutan. Hindi na ayoko na magsabi. Sige, Are you, Julian, sagutin mo. You're typing. CSO nga pala. CS11. 11. Computer science. That's part of your personal choice, your career choice, dominance of the parent, your pressure, school location. Just like what we mentioned. Ano ba siya? Real self ko ba yung nakikita ko ngayon? Pag binalugan natin yung I slash me, o ulit pakipicture, pakifigure yourself. Binilugan ko yung I slash me dun sa gitna. Yung bilog na yun, that is part of your endless trouble. Ano raw siya? Endless trouble. Yeah, we are currently facing that struggle. Yung bilog na yan, pwede yung shortcomings mo, pwede yung hindrances mo, and other considering factors na palagay mo nahihirapan ka mag-build ng self-image, no? Ng self-concept. Hirap na hirap ka. Ngayon, pag nahihirapan ka, you are facing this struggle, nagkakaroon niya ng gap, GAP. Nagkakaroon siya ng gap. Yung endless trouble mo na yan, kaya nga endless trouble. What happened to that endless trouble? There's a gap in every, conflict. Just like this one. You chose to be part of the computer science. That's your really personal choice. That's part of your personal choice. What if not? Pagdating mo, as you go on, third year, fourth year, what happened next? Still, pursuing that career? Let's see. Is it part of real self? Intrinsically? How you think, how you feel, how you act? That's the real you? So let's see. How about ideal self? Meron ka bang napipicture? Meron ka bang napo-foreseen? It can be foreseen, pero hindi unforeseen. Hindi unforeseen. Foreseen. Meron ka bang nakikita, na-anticipate? A part of your futuristic self or idealized one. Meron ba? Answer me. You can type down your answer. Hello, check. Hindi ako nag-hobby. Yes. And how about others? We are all 27 here. Meron ka ba idealized self? Do you have your idealized image? Parang dalawa lang estudyante ko. How about others? Tatlo. Tatlo lang yung nagtatype ko. Okay, tatanungin kita. Yan. Sige, go. Type your answer. By the way, thank you for saying yes. Go. I need your responses.
Di po ako makatype. Di ko po makita yung pagtatypan.
Okay lang. At least, sana na lang natin. Okay. So, majority say yes. Yes, sir. Sige, go. Type ka pa. Go. Still seeking for your answer. Meron ka bang part ng idealized version mo na self or part of your futuristic image? All of us said yes. If this ideal self is congruently part of real self, tignan mo nga kung part ba ng ideal self yung nakikita mo ngayon sa sarili. Congruent ba siya or incongruent? Answer. Half-half. Okay, grabe yung half-half na 50-50. So go type down your answer. I need your responses last thing. Sir, I wanted to be a pilot someday, but I chose to be part of the program computer science. Congruent, incongruent. Incongruent. Sir, I wanted to be a musician, but my parents always discouraged me. So that's why I chose to be part of the academy. Pwede ka naman maging musical inclined na nag-aaral ka, pero huwag mong discourage yung sarili dahil lang sa ganung factor. Oo, incongruent. O ay majority or incongruent. Pwede ba ako makita ng congruent? Congruent. Oh, that's really sad, but we tend to look forward and we tend to, so I mean, by practicality means, yeah, we should take this for granted and we can step, move away from this incongruency sa tingin ko. So, kailangan natin mag-step forward. Siguro kung nagkaroon man ng gap, kung nagkaroon man ng ETC or etc. sa buhay mo, kung bakit naging program na to, or kung bakit incongruent yung sagot mo, maybe there's, uh, there's a reason behind. Maybe it's part of the choice. Somehow, it can be case-to-case basis, situation-based basis. So, congruent should be an agreement between the real self and the ideal self. Sir, paano namin makikita yung congruence doon? Ang layo nga nung ginawa namin kurso sa gusto namin. Kurso or program. Or just like this one, pagtapos mo nung program na yan, I'm not discouraging. I'm just evaluating or assessing your personal skills. Sir, bakit ang dami pong underemployed? Bakit ano nangyari sa mga underemployed? Hindi akma or hindi suited yung nakuwang trabaho dun sa natapos na kurso. Are you with me? Hello, check. Check. So it means they are underemployed. May trabaho sila, hindi sila unemployed. They are underemployed. Practicality means, sir, ano po, entry level po, for experience, basic salary, sir. Okay, be it. But as time goes by, no, parang kinukultivate mo na yung sarili mo na, okay, ayoko na lumabas sa comfort zone ko. Kaya nagiging incongruent kasi ayaw mong gumawa ng step to take away yourself from that incongruent. Hindi naman siya dapat naranasan. So, dapat kailangan congruent. No? Maybe somehow, no, I just want to share this story to you, class, of course. No? As part of my idealized self, no, idealized version of myself, I wanted to be a police officer, a uniform personnel. No, it could be somehow part of military, navy, police, yan, yung mga gusto ko. Yung mga servant. Oh, by the way, servant naman tayo. We are all one. Servant. Kahit ano man yan. Lalo na sa nasa professional. Servant ako ng mga estudyante. Just like you. I can offer my time availability. Wag lang pinansa. Okay. So, women, that's part of my idealized version. I think I can see the better version of myself. Kung nandun ako sa ano na yun, sa part. Pero, nag-step on ako. No? I apply. Pero, hindi ko rin nakita yung sarili ko na magpaprogress. Kasi doon pala sa application, bawal yung malabo yung mata. So, dapat kinabisatin yung Snellen chart. Meron pang ganun eh. Kakabisaduhin mo lang. O, paano sa others? O, kaya natin yung mga tawag dito, physical examination. Napakadali na. PM event. Basta yun. IPC. So, somehow, no, trinay mo man, tinry mo maging congruent. Kaya one of my fascination ba siya? O frustration? How about you? So, gusto kong maging flight attendant. Kaya every time na makakasakay po kami sa TEDPAC, Cebu Pacific, Philippine Airlines, sa PAL, may nakikita po akong mga flight attendant. Parang nalulungkot po ako, sir, na dapat ako yun. Frustration po ba yun? Frustration? Yeah, somehow. Pero kung nakikita mo yung idealized version mo sa kanila, dapat naging fascination ka na. Pag naging fascinated ka, pwede mo naman i-push doon yung sarili mo. Wala ka pa naman sa 40, no, hanggang nasa 20 to 30 ka, gawin mo lahat para yan ay maging congruent. Are with way we realize, and the way we feel, existing in this world. Categorical, which is the way you what become fully aware, you how you categorize yourself, being a unique individual, having individual difference. Three components of self-concept: self-worth, self-respect, self-esteem. Self-image, you already done with this. This is part of good psychological. Next to that, and siya, Donald Winnicott, the true self and the false self. Yung katabi mo ngayon, di ba, nasa classroom tayo. Ano ba yan? True self mo ba yan? Yung pinapakita mo sa classmate mo. Is that your true self or false self? No? True self is part of your real self. Fake self is false self. No? Kaya yan yung nakaraang example natin. The authentic self. Saan mo nakikita yung authentic self mo? Parehas F yan. Family or friends? Saan mo nakikita yung authentic self mo? Family or friends? Some say family, some say friends. No, sir, I don't keep secrets with my brothers or even with one of my family relatives because I'm very comfortable sharing my insights and my personal issues and of course with my friends, not with my family. But some are in reciprocal. No, reciprocality, kabaligtaran. Mas komportable silang kausap yung nanay or tatay. That is part of the authentic self. The real version of myself is the way I communicate with you, class. That is my true self. Kung kilala nyo ako at kung makikilala nyo ako sa labas at sa loob, kung paano ako makipag-usap. Ito, kung paano ako makipag-usap sa inyo ng ganito. But with applied decent and professionalism. So, yun ako. Pero pag sa labas, yun din naman ako, medyo mas kwela pa. I am a person with funny humor. Sana, nagiging funny kayo somehow. Natutuwa pa kayo. Baka yung minsan pa dyan na kaya okay. Oh, by the way, we will break this just ayan, okay. So, ano yun? Social math? Ano yung nakalatag doon sa table yung nakaraan? Wednesday? Ano yung nilatag natin doon? Yung minekos-mekos natin? That is part of what? Persona. Or came from the word personare, meaning to mix or mekos-mekos. Social math. Nag-iiba lagi yung a type of your dramaturgy according to Goffman. Dramaturgy. Pag gusto mong i-control, ano daw siya? Impression management. Sino daw yung viewers mo? They are part of your external world or audience. Ano ka daw? Player. Ano ka raw? Actor. Etong stage na yan, ano daw siya? Theatrical stage. Yung pine-perform mo. No? Okay, are we done with this? Hello, chick. Nice. So this one, global versus differentiated. For Gestalt psychology, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, or what we call the whole is opposed to parts learning. So mas maiintindihan natin, we can enrich our knowledge by what? Dissecting the elements as part of a whole. Ulit ha, dinadissect mo yung element para maintindihan yung kabuuan. And that is part of Gestalt psychology. And that was introduced by Bert Kopka and Max Friedman. Humanistic psychology as part of what Carl Rogers introduced. Humanistic or positive psychology. The way we look ourselves and that is maybe a sum of their parts. Freud. Anong ginawa natin kay Freud? Hinati natin yung katawan ng bata. De joke lang. Hinati natin yung biscuit as part of our ego. Kinain natin ng buo yung biscuit as a part of our id. Binigay natin yung biscuit dun sa bata, a part of our ego. No? Id is pleasurable. No? Ano daw siya? Primitive instinct. Kahit nang sanggol ka, meron ka. Alam mo ba na madaling araw ka umiyak? Alam ba nung sanggol na wala ng gatas na pantimpla? Hindi. Iiyak ka lang ng iiyak and that is driven by your libido or sexual. mo naman i-balance ng ego pero somehow nandun pa rin isip. Ano nangyari? What happened? Diba? Nasa present relationship ka, committed ka, pero nag-entertain ka. O, binulungan ka ni Eve, nandun si demonyo. Hindi mo na naman na-balance. Ano yung role nito na super ego? Moral conscience. Doing good deeds or bad deeds. Part of your conscience. So it should be what? Balance. And last part of this one is what we call Albert Bandura's agentic theory of the self. No? So we have this one as part of reject the notion of selfhood, which is culturally adapted and influenced by urges, rather than it looks upon every human being that is capable of thinking, deciding, perceiving, controlling his or her action. Ano ba yung sa kanya? Human agency. So it means social observational learning theory. Kung sino din nakikita mo, pwede mong gayahin. Kung ano yung naiisip mo, pwede mong gawin. It's all about controlling your action. And that is part of how do you decide, or better, no, for the better version of yourself. And that is what we call human agency. The way we are capable of thinking, deciding, perceiving, and controlling our actions. That is human agency. Agentic part tayo ng sarili natin. Ano sabi dyan? Executive function. Pero bakit yung iba wala pang problema pero namang problema? O ano nangyari sa human agency? Masyadong pessimist. Are you with me? Diba? So bakit yung iba parang nasa midst na ng problema? You are in the midst of that stressful situation, but then before hindi siya masyadong halata. It depends on how you what. It's based on how you what. Ano ba? Saan ba tayo nag-debate? How you handle your emotional baggage. Sobrang masyadong kumano kasi mga yan. Halatang-halata na may problema ka. Minsan kasi yung pangangamusta natin, okay lang ako. Pag may lang, kausapin mo. Pag sinabi niya, it's alright, I'm okay. Medyo confident siya. Okay ako. Confident. Okay lang ako. It means may lang. Somehow, more what? Mga unpredictable actions tayo dyan. So, pwede nag-isip na lang siya na kung ano yung pinaka-better version ng sarili niya. Somehow, kailangan niya rin ng pagkako. It should be part of human agentic self. The way we handle our emotional baggage. And also the way we think, the way we respond. That's what according to Albert Bandura, the agentic theory of the self. Are we clear with psychological? Actually, hindi dahil pang psychological na gusto kong share. Even Abraham Maslow, the theory of hierarchical needs. So, lima yan. Lima yan. What else? Carl Jung, human archetype. Yan. Alfred Adler, Karen Horney. Ang dami nila. Pero yun nga, medyo modular based tayo pero doon lang tayo mag-ibig. Are we clear? Are we done with this two said modules from 5 and 6? 5 and 6. 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so benevolent reminder. So, I hope you understand and learn well. So, kung hindi, so, self-paced study ka na, lalo na sa module 1 natin. Kung medyo you are experiencing poor connectivity, you can readdress your concern. Paki-message ako kung may hindi ka maintindihan. Or you can browse the presentation. Oh, by the way, benevolent reminder, wag ka muna magpag-plan. On Wednesday, again, just to remind you, please come prepared with the walang magpupunta sa school ng Wednesday sa subject ko na hindi nakapag-review. So, we will come up on, I think, one set of our activity for the review session, then another 30 minutes for your quiz. Then please come prepared also on Friday. Remind please kita Sa Friday is your preliminary examination. Ang Wednesday mo, submission ng journal nyo, ha? Ang journal ay we are expecting what? How many number of entries? Ilan na na-expect? O, 5. Diba? Hindi pa po, ha? Huwag po i-jeopardize, huwag ka rin kumanta, huwag ka nang mag-rap. O kala mo siguro hindi ko binabasa yan, no? Yung iba dyan, hina-highlight ko, binibilugan ko, kino-cross out ko. No? Saan kaya niya nakuha to? Wala namang tinurong ganito. Alam niyo yung mas na-appreciate ko yung part ng special discussion na hindi ka naging modular based. Kung ano yung natutunan mo doon sa sinabi ko. Kasi pag modular based, kokopyahin mo lang yun. Which is part of, yes, that is normal. Naturalization na lang yun. Kada na natin yung na-normalize ng judgment. But what I think is, which is good and better, I mean, is for you to have your insights based on that special topic discussion. Yung mga nai-interject, yung mga nai-input, I realize I depend on what my instructor said about yun. You can depend on. Okay, are we clear? Anything goes? Any form of question, concern, hello check, Mike, yeah, Jillian. And you can unmute if you want to. Meron ba? O Julie, wala. So, sige na tayo kay Julian. Ito kasi Julian, instead Julian. Galing, no? Pinagdikit yung, pinagtagpo yung pangalan. Julian and Julian. Bawal palang pag-iwalay. Pag ang pinagdikit. Any more concern? Ano ba yung napag-agrihan natin? Anong kulay? Meron na ba tayo? Answer me po. Dali. You have 7 minutes. Wala pa po. So, filler po, 7 by 12, yung regular size po. Regular price, regular size. Yung standard, yung sa binder nyo, yung pinaka yun. Makikita nyo naman yung ginagamit nyo ngayon na filler. Cattleya. Sir, pwede po ba yung sir, back to back? Pwede naman. Outline form, please. No? You can narrate your statement in outline form. You can state your answer in outline form. Please, outline 1, 2, and 3. You have you already provided by 3 that question. Huwag nyo nang i-paragraph form kasi ako pa yung mag-i-slash. Nasaan yung sagot niyo yung number 1? Nasaan yung sagot niya sa number 2? Ang hirap pa sa sagot. Kung sa iba hindi binabasa yun, sa akin ko binabasa ko. Don't you dare mistake it. Okay. Otherwise, kung wala nang tanong, meron pa po bang tanong? Green ba? Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Green? Green na tayo, green. Para mabuhay. Buhay ang ating matugon. Green, Cattleya, 7 by 12, or yung standard size. Sir, pwede pong physical notebook. Pwede po. Yung talagang makapal, kung gusto mo, pwede naman. Cumulative po ito, ha? When we say cumulative, again, this is graded and recorded. Apo, green. Verde. Yeah. Okay. Any other concern? I think we're already done. So I hope you learned well. Please come prepared. I'll see you all. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye and thank you po.
Goodbye. I thank you, Angel. Thank you to everyone.